Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to draw anime eyes that express a range of emotions, whether you want to depict happiness, sadness, anger, or surprise. I'll guide you through the steps in a simple and easy to follow way. We'll explore the details of each expression and discuss how to use shapes and lines to effectively convey emotions. Grab your drawing tools and let's start creating together. Joy is expressed by slightly raising the eyebrows and widening the eyes, making them appear bright and lively. Adding a sparkle or shine in the eyes enhances the feeling of happiness. The mouth is often smiling, which further highlights this emotion. Sadness is shown by making the eyes appear slightly smaller and directing the eyelids downward, giving a resigned or dejected look. Adding tears or redness around the eyes can enhance the expression of sadness. The mouth may also be turned downward to complete the sorrowful expression. Anger is depicted by narrowing the eyes and drawing the eyebrows together and lowering them, creating a tense and intense look. Adding lines around the eyes contributes to the appearance of tension and frustration. The mouth is often tightly closed or open to convey shouting. surprise is shown by opening the eyes very wide and raising the eyebrows to the highest point, making the face appear astonished. Keeping the pupils centered enhances the feeling of surprise. The mouth can be slightly or widely open, depending on the level of shock. Fear is expressed by widening the eyes significantly and raising the eyebrows high, giving a scared or alarmed appearance. Adding stress lines around the eyes enhances the feeling of anxiety and fear. The mouth may be open or twisted to reflect a state of panic. Confusion is depicted by raising one eyebrow and lowering the other, making the eyes uneven in size, giving a puzzled or uncertain look. Adding small lines around the eyes can enhance the feeling of distracted thinking. The mouth may be twisted or open to reflect bewilderment. Boredom is expressed by half closing the eyes and noticeably lowering the eyelids, giving a heavy or uninterested appearance, lowering the eyebrows slightly, and adding a neutral or heavy expression around the mouth enhances the feeling of boredom. The mouth may be tightly closed or slightly open to reflect indifference. Love or admiration is shown by widening the eyes and adding a special sparkle, making the person look interested and captivated. Drawing soft and balanced eyebrows enhances the feeling of comfort and harmony. In some anime styles, a small heart may be added in the eyes to emphasize this emotion cutely.